Thanks for watching. 2-minute tips here, best questions to ask your interviewer. This is always a nerve-wracking part, and I know at the end of an interview it's very tempting to go, no, I'm fine, no questions. I know it's what you want to say, it's what I always want to say, but you can't say it. You have to show your interest in the job by asking good questions. Also, and this should be an overarching theme, don't ask questions to which the interviewer has already answered during the conversation. You'll look dumb, and he'll say, oh, did I already talk about that, or didn't we mention that earlier in the conversation? Here are a few things you can ask. They fall in 3 big buckets. You can ask about the company, you can ask about the person you're talking to, or you can ask about the role. So a couple examples might be, what are the biggest upcoming challenges for the company in the next year or the next quarter? What does success look like for this role in the first 30 days, in the first 90 days? What are the traits of the most successful people who've previously had this role? Or for people in this group, what does success look like? What activities do those people do that help them succeed? You could also go the opposite side of that and ask, for the people that haven't worked out, what have they done wrong? What's the biggest mistake people make heading into this group or into this role? What's the biggest challenge you might see in the first 90 days? Anything like that you can talk about, challenges of the role, what are the expectations are, the traits of individuals that excel. It gets the person on this other table, they know you're interested, it gets them talking about the role, and they walk away feeling like you have a handle on what it's going to take to succeed. The final bucket is questions about the interviewer. You can ask them, if it hasn't already come up, how they came to join the company, how this compares to prior employers, what the biggest surprises they encountered, what were the biggest surprises they encountered when they started this job, what was different than you expected, what's changed since the time you joined the firm. Also, a question about the role specifically. Is this a backfill? Is this a replacement? Is this a new role? What do you anticipate the team looks like a year from now? Anything like that, show that you're interested. Make sure you hit at least 3 questions. After that, I like some type of line where you say, I could go on and on. I don't want to take up too much more of your time with more questions. This has been super informative. Thank you so much. Can I grab your email address in case I have any other questions that come up? Would you mind if I asked you them? Something like that after you've asked 3 or 4 or 5 questions to wrap it up and allow kind of a clean end to the interview. Hope this helps. Thanks.